You or someone you know love basketball? Love basketball so much that you wanted to be the basketball? If the answers to those questions are yes, then this is the video for you. Welcome to Making a Basketball Corset with Will and Akila.
Didn't know my purpose, got us some accidents. Wasn't invited to the party, but I'm still crashing it, ayy. I'm feeling good, pop out, shorty, let's take a trip, ayy. We step out the crib, I just hope that you don't trip, ayy. She gave me the green, she know that body be my kryptonite. It used to be green, but this money look like a kryptonite. I'm feeling good, pop out, shorty, let's take a trip.
Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Akila and you're watching Growing Akila. I'm going to keep this short and sweet while you watch me get footage with the basketball before we cut it up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe before we get into the video. As you can tell from the title of this video, we will be making a basketball corset. And yes, if you're wondering how I have great ball handle, this basketball corset is like the shoes in the movie Like Mike and gives me special powers like LeBron.
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James.
I got this idea from official Slim Reaper on Instagram, but wanted to put my own twist to it.
Y'all better come up here and get one of these.
What's that?
It's a chicken salad.
Okay, so there aren't that many videos on this. Like I said, this is just that video of the girl that already made it, but it's no like tutorial or anything on it. So I guess this would be the first video on YouTube about it. So we're just gonna try to troubleshoot it, and if this doesn't work out, you know, I can always keep trying, but just bear with me with this tutorial. But I'm gonna try to be as detailed as possible, and let's just see where life takes us. Ooh, what if, like, you know how people have the pumpkin heads? What if I just made this into like a hat or something? Okay, let me take baby steps. We'll come back to that. But anyway, this is the front of the basketball, and I want to keep this intact, so I'm gonna try to find a different line. So I have this X-Acto knife. I have a bigger one somewhere. I can't find it at the moment, so I'm gonna use this and cut down this, like cut the basketball in half. Basically, that's what we want to do. So I am getting a little bit, I don't know. So I've cut through a little bit, but still got some more to go. So the ball is deflating, so that's why I know that it's cutting through, because the air is coming out. But yeah, we're gonna keep going. This is what the inside of this basketball looks like. I couldn't cut all the way through because of the air pump right here, so we'll just have to work around that. If you do look at this right here, you can see that it's starting to come up because these are two separate, like the orange and the black are two separate parts, you know? So it's starting to come up, so I'm just gonna pull this all off, and then, but I don't know if it's gonna be easy to pull off or what, so we'll see. I'll be right back. Okay, so I finally separated the two, and this is the black part, and we're gonna save this part. We're not gonna throw it away, so just put that to the side. And now you have this, the orange part, and I got these scissors. They're like heavy duty, they cut through anything scissors. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut this in half down this line. Stop! I know you all are probably enjoying this amazing video, but it would be great if you can smash the like button right now and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Now we have these two separate parts, and we also have a whole nother... Wait a second. Oh my gosh, this is not... 1 second. I saw this on my mannequin and I was like, this is actually really cute. And this is the mannequin I have right now. It's not fit to my size anymore. So we'll take this time to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And that could help me get a new mannequin. So yeah, comment down below if you think this would be really cute. But I think this would be cute on like someone with a smaller bust. So maybe a giveaway in the future, who knows? So initially what I was gonna do was cut this long piece in half, and then you'll have like star on one side and then all on the other side, and that would be like the bra part, but this does not fit. So I'm kind of just troubleshooting now to see what I like with this. So if these two cross like this, I think that would be cute, and then I'll just figure out what to do after that. I really want to use this because I think it's so cool, so I think I might use this on the back, so like the detailing on the back is like this. What do you guys think? So if you were trying to make a top out of the basketball, how would you do it? This is kind of what I was thinking. So that would be the bottom part, and this would be the bra top part, and I think that would be so cool. So I definitely think I like this the best so far. This is what's gonna fit me. Like, tell me that's not cute. Oh my gosh. So now we are ready to, you know, start putting the top together. So the idea is to have it look like this and then have these two parts down here connecting. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I got like this paracord stuff, which I'm gonna use as the strings. And this is what it looks like. So the tools that you'll need to do this part of the top is you'll need some type of string. It doesn't exactly need to be this, but this was only $3. But I was looking for something that is durable enough to hold up a shirt so it's not falling down. And I also have this, and you're probably like, what is this? This is a belt thing. I don't know if that makes sense, but you know, if you have a belt and you want it to be longer, you want to add more holes, there's like that's what this is called. But I'm gonna use this to make holes in this because it needs to be thick enough to go through leather, and this goes through leather. But if you don't have this, because I'm sure a lot of people really don't, you can either just use a box cutter. This is really old and dirty, rusty box cutter. You just really just need something that's sharp enough that will cut through leather. Just gonna take one side for now, this Spalding, and we're gonna go to the top and like a centimeter down and poke your hole right there. So here's the hole, and you're gonna do the exact same thing on the other one. Now I'm gonna take my tape measure or sewing tape, I don't know what you call this really, but and turn it on the centimeter side and put it starting at this black line because that's where the two are gonna meet. And I basically just want to map out where I want to put the holes along the edge so that I can put the string through it and have like a cross lace up in the front type thing. And I think I'm gonna go for maybe every 5 centimeters, so it'll be 1 here, then 1 5, then 10, blah 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 blah. But I'm going to mark it with a pencil first. It's going to be really light so I can just see it where I like it, and then once I like it, then I'll mark it with a marker and do the same on both sides and make the holes. So you can kind of see the marks. These are where I'm going to make the holes. I'm not even sure if these are too far apart. I may need to put like another one in between these two. But make sure that you're not making it too close to the edge. Make sure you're making it like in a little bit because it's safer that way. I don't know, I feel like if it's close to the edge, it's more prone to maybe slip or break or anything, so make it closer in a little bit, probably like a centimeter in. And here's the back of the corset. For the back, I used 2 leftover panels from the basketball. On each side, there are 2 holes to tie the corset together in the back. The 2 back panels are then connected to the front with 2 holes and a string along the side. So again, there are 2 holes that go through the back panel and the front panel and a string that connects both of them. I hope that makes sense. Once all the holes are made on the front panels, simply lace the strings through the holes. If it's difficult to pull the string through, try adding tape to the end to make it easier to pull through. And there are the straps that will go around your neck. Here again, I'm showing you how I laced the strings through the holes and crossed them to get that crisscross effect. And here's the finished product when I actually wore it out. In a few seconds, you'll also see the skirt that I made. I turned a jersey into a skirt. Comment down below if you want to see a video on how I did that. But yeah, I really loved the outfit and everyone loved it too.